Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be fixing chicken shawarma. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. And what do we need in the chicken shawarma? 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'll be using about half of this package. 4 tablespoons lemon juice. 4 tablespoons olive oil. 4 cloves minced garlic. I've already got the already minced. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 2 teaspoons paprika. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon pepper. For the garlic sauce, we need 4 garlic cloves minced. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup full-fat Greek yogurt. And 1 tablespoon lemon juice. So let's begin. Take a large Ziploc bag and put your chicken in the bag. And my package of chicken is 3 pounds, so I'm putting half in it to make the 1.5. So I'll be putting in 4 chicken thighs. Then put in the rest of the ingredients for your chicken marinade. So put in the 4 tablespoons of the freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can use bottled stuff too. The 4 tablespoons of olive oil. The 4 cloves of minced garlic. The 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. The 2 teaspoons of paprika. The 1 teaspoon of turmeric, the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, the 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and the 1 teaspoon of freshly ground Himalaya salt. And you can just use regular salt and pepper. Zip up your bag. Give it a good mix until the chicken is all covered. And I would suggest that you take it out of the refrigerator and do this every so often, just to make sure that they stay covered. Okay, so they're looking pretty good. I'm not seeing too much of the chicken. I'm seeing mostly of the seasonings. So put that in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or up to overnight. The longer that you leave it in, the stronger the flavoring is going to be. I will probably keep that in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I'll cook it just right before Dave comes home. Preheat oven to 425. Take a baking dish. I got a 9x9 and spray your baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Then take your Ziploc bag of chicken thighs and put them in the prepared pan. And I'm going to open up the thighs so they don't take as long to cook. So there I have them all in the pan. Put your chicken shawarma into a preheated 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until done. Take a small bowl, put your 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And this is the garlic sauce that we will be putting on top of the chicken. And put in your 1/4 cup of full-fat plain Greek yogurt, the 4 cloves of minced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix until combined. I'm making it now, and then I'm just going to keep it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. When the chicken is almost done, in the last couple of minutes, put it on broil. So take your chicken shawarma and let it rest for a couple of minutes before you slice it up. So cut up your chicken into slices, and then we can serve it up. So take a pita bread, add your chicken, add what other toppings that you would like, such as tomatoes, onions, and add the garlic sauce that we made. Then fold this over. So here is the chicken shawarma, and rounding out the meal is coconut rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like a big cracker.
It is.
It is? Okay.
No, it's chicken shawarma.
I lost my onion. I got mostly cracker on the first bite.
Do you like the sauce that's on there?
I don't think I've had this before, but it's got a good flavor to it. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.